In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use price change actions to change the price on your page. I'm going to give you 3 examples: an early bird discount, a group discount, and a BOGO. Feel free to use the video chapters to jump ahead at any time. First, I'll show you an early bird discount. Let's say that after a certain date, my standard registration changes from $50 to $100. All I have to do to set that up is select Actions, create an action that says when date is after, and you can plug in the specific date and time that this price change will occur for your event. And then I can select the increase price option. I can choose a dollar amount or a percentage. In this case, it would be a dollar amount. And then I'm going to select the field or fields that it applies to and save. Now that will automatically increase the price $50 when that date and time has passed. Another common discount is the group discount. You can set a group size and then apply a discount to the order when that group size is reached. So to set that up, you're going to say when registrants in a transaction are greater than, and so let's say in this case my group size is 4. So I'll say greater than 3. So that means if 4 or more people register, then they get this discount. And I'm going to decrease the price. And again, you can do a dollar amount or a percentage, but let's say 25%. And then let's say I'm only running this special on standard registration and VIP registration, but not guest registration. Again, you would just plug in the specifics for your event and save. Now that automatically will apply my group discount. Another common option is a BOGO sale. In this example, I'll show you how to do one that's buy one, get one 50% off. I'm going to pop open an action and say, when a specific registrant, so that's a different trigger than the one we did before this, because specific registrants only apply to certain registrants in the order rather than the entire order as we showed you up here. And let's say 2 to 2, because then it's buy one, get one. I'm going to say decrease price 50% on standard registration. And again, you would just plug in your specifics and save. Now, if at any point you'd like to see how these actions work on your page before you push them live, you can hit preview here in the top right-hand corner, go through your page, and you can see exactly how it's working.